Welcome to our channel. Are you looking to update your profile picture on the Telegram app using your PC? You're in the right place. Telegram has rolled out a new update that's made this process easier than ever. In just a few simple steps, you can give your profile a fresh new look. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, look to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked together. This is the menu icon. Click on it to reveal the menu options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Telegram experience, including your profile picture. After you're in the Settings menu, locate your current profile picture. A quick click on your existing profile image will bring up options for changing it. At this point, you'll want to choose Upload Photo. This allows you to select a new image from your files. Simply browse your computer to find the perfect picture that represents you. Once you've chosen your new image, it's essential to confirm the step. Confirming ensures that your new profile picture gets applied, so don't skip this step. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully updated your profile picture on Telegram using your PC. Go ahead, show off your new look. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.